Hey, this is Richard over at FoxAironHeat.com. We are working on 5 rooftop units. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. We're doing our winter checkouts on them. We did them actually earlier in the year in October. This is getting another filter service and belt change, and putting actually new belts on a little bit slower this time of year. So we're doing that. Gorgeous sunset going out there. It's a little bit chilly. I got my long johns on today. Been in and out of the office some. Just trying to get caught up, but it's actually not bad out with the sun out. I'm fixing to go down though and get my hoodie with my little, keep my head. I don't have much hair up here anymore, so it doesn't keep my hair or head very warm. It's a little bit breezy out here up on this building, so we're gonna get that taken care of though. We're gonna warm up a little bit. I'm checking the heat exchangers. Carriers tend to go out about 8, 9, 10 years, so we have to be real careful on the carriers. It's good value for the money. We kind of know to keep an eye on them though. They'll start cracking the heat exchanger, so we pull this door off there. That's your supply air, and that kind of warmed me up earlier, but my ears, you know, like I said, I don't have much hair on my head, so the wind gets to me pretty good. So we check those, pulling those off as we go through them just to make sure, so we don't have carbon monoxide poisoning or anything like that. So got to be real careful on the gas heat stuff. So if you got gas heat, have us up, come check it out. We'll do a thorough checkout. We're not just coming out there trying to sell you old units. We actually originally 9 years ago installed these units, all 5 of these units for the customer. This is a dance studio that we do in North Dallas, and just try to keep them up and running. We do quarterly maintenance. Very little's wrong with these units. Usually we blow out drain lines, we put belts on them, change filters. We got a couple condenser fans that we did. They already had like 20 or 30-year-old electrical disconnects on them, so we're probably going to come by this year. Every once in a while we have a problem with they won't make a good connection, so we're probably going to change those out for them. And we're probably going to put all new, since they're 9-year-old units, we'll probably go ahead and put all new condenser fan motors on this winter before the summer kicks in. So a little bit of preventative maintenance instead of buying new units all the time. Try to keep you up and running and do it the right way. Again, enjoy the nice day. It's January the 3rd. We've been down to the teens and the 20s, but it's going to warm up a little bit more. I gotta love it. The other day, our temperature dropped from 75 degrees, and I think we went down to 19 at night. So gotta love that, a 50-degree drop within 24 hours. So hey, running no cool calls in the afternoon, and in the morning we're running no heat calls. So give us a holler. It's Richard at FoxAironHeat.com. We're hiring. We just moved into a new shop. We're looking for bigger and better things. Let us know if we can help you. We're looking to hire some good guys and make a nice career out of it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if I can help you with anything.